Hey, what's up, Umberto? Umberto is back and I'm here on Epic Treasure again. I'm sorry my voice is not that good and my how do we and my English is not good also, but I will try so hard, not so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. You're right. Sipon in English. What is sipon in English? Yes, I have cold and fever. I have cold and fever right now. So I hope I get well. How are you? And hello to my friends, all of my friends, and all of my family delegation. And hello to my friend Ahmed. How are you, brother? How are you, my friend? He's the real YujiroHanma. He's just letting me to use his account. Yeah, that's right. Subscribe him on Rage. What was that again? Rage Gaming. Wait. Rage Gaming. Dami kasing Rage Gaming eh. Ano nga? Naka-follow na ako dun eh. Oh my god, ang dami. Anyway, I'll we'll check it soon. By the way, we are now level 70 and we have the new feature Warship. So honestly, I don't know what should I activate, but I think red force since it's here now. Okay. Oh, so you think we can activate all? Let's see. Ah, okay. We can activate all. All right. So yeah, and we will upgrade it. Deal damage against front line. Oh wow. Okay. 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 Front line using poison the target. Oh, sige. Ah, we don't have money anymore. Oh my god. So how about this? Deals are against frontline enemies and poison. 1000 Sunny. Deals random. Ah, you think we can use this all at once? All at once. By the way, we are full. The guild is full. We have to but it's reserved already. So sorry guys. Sorry guys. And we are going to kick. No, nah. We kicked one. So we have two slots, but it's reserved. Huh? Arena. League of Marineford. Yeah. It says, oh, hello, Chete. Hello, my friend. They are level 70 already too. I think Anonymous and Chete is VIP 9 also. So, hello, Anonymous. I think he's an Indonesian or Vietnamese or Malaysian. I don't know. I don't really know. But Chete, hello, my friend. He's a friend. He PM'd me on the Buraws Facebook. Please subscribe us. So we are going to no. I'm not gonna do it here because of they will see our lineup. So not really. And we are on 304 because I don't know 387. We are 11. Not bad. Oh wow. Wow. All right. So, uh, I think we are going to recruit. Hey, Indo players, Indonesian brothers. What's I don't know who's next, no? Who's next? Who's next are going to get? We are going to get. I mean the patch. Sabo, Rayleigh, or I don't know. I don't. I'm thinking to use these beers, but I might wait before for a week. I don't know. I really don't know. But this exclusive, yeah, we might use it later. We might use it later for strength because we are going to max ace. So warship. So what's this? Let's try it in arena. Ano, ang button. Yeah. Oh, you can only choose one. Yeah, oh, only choose one. So let's see. It's like seeking on Pirate Ocean Adventure. So where's the... Okay. Loading. Where's the warship? Where's the warship? Wait. I'm finding Rage Gaming. There's a lot of Rage Gaming. Oh my god. No, I'll just... Okay, so it. There you go. Wait, I'll show it. See? Yeah. That's Rage Gaming, our friend. So yeah, please subscribe to him also. Actually, he does have more subscribers than our channel. We only have 321. 321. Anyway, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. This one is very... Oh my god, we don't have money. Don't have money. Do we have it? Uh-huh. Oh, no. No, 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 no. We're going to ask for a top up, of course. So we can move. So we can upgrade. Ah, so what's the best? This one, no. I got it already. How many we have? Uh-huh. 23. We should have a... Oh my god. 5 hours. Oh, as you can see, we already accumulated 63k diamonds. We are almost, oh yeah, 36k more. So that means 50, there you go, $375 more for VIP 10. 375. Yeah, we are near. I think if he really wants it, he can get it. But yeah, like I said, we are just chilling like a villain. My mother is yelling. Why is that? Nawawala. What's nawawala? Yeah, okay. Lost and found. My cousin is lost and found. Oh my god. We don't have Heels. Heels. Uy, wow, this is good. But this one, random ones with 8. Mm-hmm. Actually, all of them are good, ah. But this one, I don't know. The 1000 Sunny. Deals on enemies for damage. Heals for random ones for 20%. Oh my god. This is Perfume Yoda. We should use it. Oh my god. No diamonds already. Ah, no berry. No belly already. So, claimed it. And, bags. Do we have? No, we don't have it. We don't have belly. I think I showed it to you already, na? the item that Aokiji have. No, not that. This one. Look at that. 40% skill damage for intelligence. This is really good. This is really good. Really, really good. Yeah. This one. You need this. And I will not show my PvP since, yeah, you can just watch it or you can just ask me. And to the Buraws, all of the Buraws member, howdy. How are you? Hey y'all! Hirap magma-level. Who else? Hirap magsalita, no? Pag English, hirap. Dapat iisipin mo pa bago mo sabihin. Kakainis. Pero ayun, yun na nga. Kumusta sa inyo lahat? And goodbye. Yun lang.